Hello. Uh, Today I'm gonna present my presentation towards streamlined cloud management, integrating communication and management in the centralized application. So introduction, clouds play a crucial role in students' daily life. According to a survey from the United States Census, 29% of girls and 24% of boys were involved in clubs in 2020, and this number is still growing. However, managing those clubs could be complex for club leaders. Uh, Club leaders need to organize events and communicate well with club members since they are essential to a successful club. There are some really good applications for cloud management, such as Discord, Instagram, and Slack. But one shortcoming of these applications is that they don't fulfill all needs of club's management, and that brings some problem. So the first problem of current cloud management app is that many applications people use have limited functionality. Some applications focus more on providing communication features, while other applications provide members management. As a result, people have to use various applications to assist with club management, which increase the complexity of managing a club, which leads to a next problem. So integration challenges. It could be much more harder for people to learn how to use these applications well to assist with their cloud management if there's multiple application used. It could also be challenging to integrate these platforms. For example, synchronizing information across this application could be difficult. If a new member joined the club leaders need to make sure that his information is updated to all the platforms, such as email group, attendance list, or file sharing list, and fail to update these informations could lead to serious errors in club's operations. Also, it will create a communication gap among members because sometimes people might forget, for example, people might forget to check their email or something and miss important informations since there are too many applications in use. And this will limit the efficiency of managing club too. So my approach to these problems is that we can integrate all functionality of the cloud management into one centralized application. Centralized data is used in many places for better management. World largest and most successful companies such as Walmart, Amazon, and Apple all uses centralized data as part of their management. And since their cloud management is similar to them, centralized data can be an effective solution to cloud management. And my solution to that is Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a centralized application developed for club leaders and members to organize and communicate their club. The Klaviyo is made with FlutterFlow and Google Firebase. It is developed as a solution to the three problems previously mentioned. A centralized application can provide an easy-to-use experience since users don't need to learn to use multiple applications. It is also developed so that it contains all the functionality that are necessary for club management. Therefore, users won't bother collaborating using them. And it also provides a good experience in communication among members. Here's a simple overview of Klaviyo. And first, member will have a homepage where they can navigate to either a club homepage or chatting place or edit their profile. And if they choose to access a club, they can access other functions which is included in a club. And for example, this is a two homepage, and the homepage on the right one is the main homepage where they can navigate to other places. And the one on the left is the club page, and they can also access functions from that page, which is very convenient. And here's part of features of Klaviyo is the communication components. They are very important in the application. It includes the chat, announcement, task, and meeting notification. The chat helps connect members, and it includes direct message and group message. The announcement and the meeting reminder ensure that everyone stays informed, and the task feature allows people to manage their assignments and complete them in time. Another part of the Klaviyo is club management part, and it includes creating new clubs, editing permissions, and inviting members. So these will help like manage the members, and yes. So here's I asked some users to try the application and complete a survey for these 4 questions. The first question is, how easy is it to navigate the app? And would you recommend this to a friend? How easy is it to manage a club using the app? And how easy is it to set up a conversation with someone else? Here's the result. So you can see the average rating for question 1 is 3.33. This indicates that it's pretty easy to navigate in the app, and so that's pretty good for an early version of this application. And the second question's average rating is 2.33, and this indicates that this indicates that people show some interest to the club and would like to recommend this to their friends. And the third question's average rating is 2.33. This might be because that many parts are not really refined and have some space to improve. And the last question about the chat is rated 2.67. This is likely because there are many really good applications for communications currently. So it still needs some refinement to and here's the conclusion and the future development. So Klaviyo is a possible solution to the issue that people are using multiple applications to manage a club. And however, it still needs some more improvement. And first of all, we are planning to implement the registration and the survey feature, because it is an important part of many clubs, and leaders can gather feedbacks from their members, and this creates more connection between them. And also the check-in features, so that leaders can take attendance and track the participation of their members. Also, we're planning to implement a resource page, so it's easier to share important files and resources among people. And we're also planning to make the chat better, so people will use it and have a better experience. Finally, we are planning to add customizations for clubs, so that people can customize the way they want to manage their clubs. And thank you very much for listening. Is there any questions?